This tutorial review will show you how to ban words on Discord. If you're trying to ban some words on your Discord server, then you have to add a bot to your server first. So you have to open this bot page dino.gg, and once you are in this bot page, click on login with Discord. Click on authorize. Once the bot added to your Discord account, now you have to select your server, continue, authorize, and ensure that you are not a robot. And I'm going to my server, and here you can see the Dinobot has been successfully added. Now go to the Dinobot dashboard and select here your prefix and choose your time zone here. Click on next, and here scroll down and you'll find this auto ban option. So make sure to enable the plugin and search for auto delete. Make sure also this one is enabled and click on settings for auto delete. And you have to select the channel. I'm going to select my general tab, and now you can select match all filters or match any filters and click on add filter. Select filter. I'm going to selecting here exact text because I'm going to ban some words and giving the words here. And the same way you can add multiple filter. And you can change the delay from here and click on add. Once you added, now I'm going to check the result. So here's I'm in my server and selected the actual channel, and if I write here lol, and here you can see the message has been successfully deleted. So this is how we can ban words on Discord. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.